I am Gladys Mbuya. I am a lawyer by profession. I am a passionate human rights defender and a peace crusader. I also double as a traditional leader and the founder of Liberal Law Office in Cameroon. I am the president of the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA Cameroon. I work on promoting the recognition and respect for human rights, especially the rights of women and girls. I represent women and girls who otherwise will not be able to afford legal fees. I actually represent them before the courts. And then I advocate for laws that discriminate against women and girls to be revised. Defending human rights has been intrinsic to my core values and interests for as long as I can remember. As a child, I've always longed for a world where everybody can live freely. You live in a free, equal, and just world. Protecting the weak and the oppressed is what fuels my interest in human rights defense. I see Cameroon becoming a better country. I see my country being one in which there's real social change. There is a respect for human rights, and the state of Cameroon that owes the principal duty to protect rights is actually carrying out that function and protecting rights. And everybody is being treated with dignity and fairness. I really hope to see improvement in the protection and respect of rights in Cameroon. Many years back, I have experienced a lot of threats, intimidations, attempts at arrest. I've experienced those. I've experienced name calling. I've been addressed secessionist, radical, and even had my account blocked in the bank. With the presidential elections coming up, I see many human rights defenders facing reprisals. There's every indication that rights will not be respected, rights will be violated, and there's a lot of intimidation around, arbitrary arrests and detentions. Human rights defense work is a noble cause. My message to them will be that they should continue standing by and protecting human rights defenders, and they should increase the volume of political pressure on our governments for them to fulfill their obligations under all the international conventions they have ratified. They should seek ways of holding our states accountable for failing to keep their promises to protect human rights. I have just one tool, the law to use to fight and to protect people. I cannot fight with guns. So I always defend the rights of people who are oppressed, arbitrary arrest, and standing trial. And this case of the Amazonian leaders, I was part of the legal team, defended people like Agbor Balla, Mimi Mefo. I defended her without even knowing her. I just heard about her case. And Ndoki Michèle, Barrister Ndoki Michèle, who is my colleague, I've been part of their legal team. And I think just because we put up that effort to defend them, that is why those cases were dropped out of court. All of them were released because we were there to defend them. So I count that a big success.